Welcome everyone. So आज चाहिँ we are gonna do the exercise like multiple choice questionहरु जसमा we will be differentiating between simple past or past continuous like दुवैबाट चाहिँ कुन युज गर्ने हो. Simple past भनेको के भयो भने भूतकालको कुरा जुन भइसकेको छ and it's already done. It's not like भूतकालमा भइरहेको कुरा भनिरहेको छैन, भूतकालमा भइसकेको कुरा भन्दैछ. And past continuous भनेको चाहिँ भूतकालमा भइरहेको थियो त्यो कुरालाई चाहिँ हामी past continuous भन्छौं. So let's start. The first question. I didn't hear you come in. यसमा चाहिँ के छ भने was sleeping, slept. I was sleeping, I didn't hear you come in. I slept, I didn't hear you come in. अब यहाँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने we need to see this part. I didn't hear you come in. मतलब उले सुनेन कि उ आउँदै थियो. किन सुनेन किनभने he was sleeping. उ सुत्दै थियो त्यही भएर. त्यो सुतिसकेको थियो हैन त किनभने उ सुत्दै थियो. So the correct answer here would be was sleeping. Moving on to the second question, we have I dash to see her twice but she wasn't home. Was coming, came. To see her twice but she wasn't home. To see her twice मा चाहिँ के देखाउँछ भने उ आको थियो, दुई चोटी उ आको थियो तर घरमा थिएन. सो यहाँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने I came to see her twice but she wasn't home. Moving on to the third question, we have what dash I was watching TV. Did you do? Were you doing? यहाँ चाहिँ सोध्दै छ कि तिमीले चाहिँ के गर्यौ त, तिमी के गर्दै थियौ? म त टिभी हेर्दै थिए. सो what did you do मा त it will be like what did you already like के गरिसक्यौ र. अनि यसमा छ कि what were you doing like के गर्दै थियौ र. सो यहाँ क्वेशन पनि त्यही छ कि के गर्दै थियौ? म त टिभी हेर्दै थिए. सो we will put were you doing. Next, Robin Hood was a character who dashed from the rich and gave it to the poor. We all know about the Robin Hood character. अब यहाँ चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने Robin Hood was a character who dashed, stole, stealing. From the rich, gave it to the poor. यहाँ it will be like कि के गर्यो त, चोर्यो हैन कि चोर्दै थियो. अब यहाँ if we write कि Robin Hoodले चोर्दै थियो र rich and poor लाई दिँदै थियो. यहाँ चाहिँ again we need to see that here is gave. So we will write stole. Robin Hood was a character who stole from the rich and gave it to the poor. Next question. Hey, did you talk to her? Yes, I was talking to her. I talked to her. Did you talk to her? Yes, I talked to her. किनभने this is the past one. Now we will move on to another questions. So for the next question we have I dashed home very late last night. अब यसमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने that person like last night को कुरा हो जतिखेर उ घर लेट आयो. So this has already happened. So यसमा हामी के युज गर्छौं? So this wasn't like कि past मा चलिरहेको थियो, यो already भइसकेको छ. That is why we use came here. I came home very late last night. Then the next question we have, how long that's the flu? Were you having? Did you have? This is a question. So question मा के हुन्छ भने कति बेलादेखिको तिमीलाई यो भइसकेको छ त, यस्तो क्वेशन गर्न सोधिरहेछ. It's not that something is like continuously going on. So this is why we use how long did you have the flu. The next question we have is dash a good time in Elam. Yes, I had a blast. So यहाँ चाहिँ दुईटा सेन्टेन्सलाई कम्बाइन गरेको छ. एउटा चाहिँ क्वेशन छ, अर्को चाहिँ आन्सर छ. आन्सरमा के छ? had छ, which means this thing had already happened. And this question asks you a good time in Iran. लाइक वर यु ह्याभिङ डिड यु ह्याभ सो यसमा चाहिँ एन्सरलाई चेक गर्नु एज एन्सर इज लाइक इन पास्ट कम्प्लिटली पास्टमा छ अनि दे ह्याड लाइक अ गुड टाइम सो द क्वेसन विल बी डिड यु ह्याभ अ गुड टाइम इन अलाम सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेसन वी ह्याभ इज we dash breakfast when she walked into the room had were having we dashed breakfast when she walked into the room जतिखेर आयो हामी यो कुरा गर्दै थियौं यो भन्न खोजेछ यो क्वेशनले लाइक when he came I was reading or when he came I was studying so यसमा चाहिँ I am continuously doing that particular thing so that is why we use were having. So now we have the last questions that is last month I decided to buy a new car and today I finally dash it. So last month उले decide गरेको थियो and आज चाहिँ finally उले किनिसक्यो. This is like कि किनिसक्यो. It's not that he or she is like buying it. It is like they bought it. So there will be last month I decided to buy a car and today I finally bought it. So this is it for this MCQ and this one like past कसरी कता use गर्ने past continuous and simple past कता use गर्ने हो so thank you.